Hello, I am Renz Andre M. Bercasio. I'm your teacher. Today, we will discuss about point, line, and plane. First, point, line, and plane, together with set, are the undefined term that provides the starting place for geometry. When we define word, we ordinarily use simpler words, and these simpler words are turned into definite using yet. Simpler words, this is the process, must eventually terminate. At the sum stage, the definition must be used a word whose meaning is accepted as an is to be said clearly. Because that meaning is accepted with definition, we refer to those words as undefined term. This term will be used in defining other terms. All these terms are not formally defined as brief institute discussion indeed. So first, we will discuss about point. Point is the most fundamental object in geometry. It's represented by a dot and named by the capital letter. A point represented position only. It is zero size. It is a zero length, zero width, and zero height. These are the figures of point C or point M and point Q. A line. A line is a straight line can be thought of as a connected set of infinitely meaning a line, a straight line can be thought as a connected set of infinitely many points. It's extended infinitely far into opposite direction. A line has infinite length, zero width, and zero height. Any 2 point the line name it. The symbol line written on the top of the two letters is used to denote that line. A many A may also be named by one smaller letter. There is the illustration of a line. And the last one is a plane. May be considered as infinite set of points forming a connected flat surface extended infinitely with and zero heights or thickness. And the last one is a plane. A plane may be considered as an infinite set of points forming a connected flat surface extended infinitely far in all directions. A plane has infinite length, infinite width, and zero heights or thickness. It is usually represented in a drawing by a four sides figure. A single capital letter is used to denote a plane. The word plane is written with the letter so as not to be confused with a figure.